if you're asked to find the 5 remaining trig functions, we have cotangent, so that means this is what we have left over. Okay, and so one thing we should note before we ever try to do anything with this is that they want the angle that's between 0 and 90 degrees, which is what pi over 2 is in degrees. So it's going to be somewhere over here. So to make that happen, we need to have a cotangent ratio of the angle that we're trying to find, this angle right here, which is always a reference angle. The cotangent of that angle so that it equals 1/5. Cotangent is reciprocal of tangent. So if tangent is opposite over adjacent, cotangent is adjacent over opposite. So our adjacent to our angle is 1, our opposite is 5. And since we're drawing a right triangle to help us solve for trig functions, we can use a squared plus b squared equals c squared to find the missing one. So we get square root of 26 for that missing side, for the hypotenuse side. Now that we have all the side lengths figured out, we can do the trig ratios. Sine means we take the opposite of our reference angle, divide by the hypotenuse. So 5 out of square root of 26. Cosine means we take the adjacent, divide by hypotenuse. So 1 out of 20, square root of 126. I think I said 126, but that's obviously square root of 26. And tangent would be the opposite divided by the adjacent. So it's just the reciprocal of what we were given of cotangent. 5 over 1, which is just 5. Then you can keep on going through. Cosecant's the reciprocal of sine. So that's going to be square root of 26 over 5. And then secant is going to be the reciprocal of cosine, so square root of 26 over 1. We'll just leave that as square root of 26. But for your final answer, you might not want to have radicals in the bottom. You just multiply the top and the bottom by square root of 126. So that's all of them.